I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Both workbooks must be in the same Sharepoint site or a synced library so links remain stable. Open the source workbook in Excel for the web or in desktop Excel with OneDrive sync enabled. Once open, copy the Sharepoint file link or use Get data from workbook to bring table references. This creates a dynamic connection. You do this now because local paths break in Sharepoint. Using site links keeps formulas and queries resolvable across users. You now build the middle of the process by using Power Query to import the specific table or range from the source workbook. That ensures structured refresh behavior. When prompted, choose Organizational Account Credentials and set the privacy level to avoid blocking merges. This prevents refresh failures. Once the query is in place, edit the source step to use the Sharepoint site base URL and relative file path so links survive moves. Make sure to load as connection only if you plan to combine multiple sources. You finish by loading or saving the workbook and configuring refresh. Set automatic refresh if data changes often, or instruct users to refresh all manually. Once done, test the link as another user to confirm permissions and that the site-based URL resolves correctly. If links fail, the key troubleshooting tip is to check Sharepoint permissions and the exact URL format in the Power Query source step. Repointing the source to the proper site relative path usually fixes broken connections quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.